Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recover lost crypto wallets. First, understand that losing access can happen for various reasons, like forgotten passwords or lost devices. We'll cover different wallet types, from hardware to software, and their specific recovery processes. Knowing what information you need, such as a seed phrase, is crucial for a successful restoration.
Economically, Spain has a much larger gross domestic product.
Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation: if you're like me and often forget to eat while studying, these amazing leak-proof meal prep containers are a lifesaver. They make healthy eating super easy, even on busy days. You can find the link to grab yours, along with other great deals, in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
When it comes to lifestyle, both countries offer incredible experiences. Spain is famous for its vibrant fiestas, diverse regional cuisines, and extensive art scene. Portugal, with its stunning Atlantic beaches and melancholic fado music, provides a slightly different charm. Both nations share a warm, welcoming culture and a strong emphasis on family and delicious food. Your personal preferences will guide your choice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.